Hi, I'm Natalie, and today I'm on a safari in the jungle. I've got my binoculars ready, and I can't wait to spot some animals in their natural habitat. Would you like to make some binoculars and go on a safari at your house too? Let me show you how. To make our binoculars, we're going to need some scissors, string, 2 toilet paper rolls, Velcro, and some pattern contacts. The first thing we're going to do is take our light timber contacts and cut it into 2 long strips. Now we're going to cut each of these strips in half. Now we should have 4 pieces. We're going to take our toilet paper roll and we're going to pull the back of the contact off and stick each piece around each end of our toilet paper roll. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing again, but this time using our green grass contact. And I'm going to wrap it directly underneath my timber contact, just like this. Just like that. Now we need to take our darker timber contact and cut a slightly wider strip. This is going to go around both of our toilet paper rolls. I'm going to wrap it around this one first, all the way around the back, and then over onto the second one, and then all the way back around. Now that we've finished our binoculars, the last thing we have to do is attach some string. I'm going to take my string, unwind it, and measure it around my neck so I know how far I want my binoculars to hang. Once you've measured your length of string, take it down to the table and cut it. Now to attach this string to my binoculars, we're going to be using Velcro. Your Velcro should come in 2 rolls. One of them will feel a bit harder and the other will feel a bit softer. We're going to take our harder strip of Velcro. Now we're going to stick this little bit inside the outer corner of our binoculars. And now we're going to repeat that on the other side. Now we're going to take our softer roll of Velcro. We're going to peel the back off. And stick our string in between. And just fold it over. And that's one side done. And there you have your binoculars, all ready for a safari in your own home. What animals can you find?